Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel, and if you guys are existing subscribers, welcome back to another hair review. So on today I'm going to be working with F.Afsisterwig. As you guys can see, this is a short pixie cut curly style bob wig in a 613. It is with Brazilian virgin human hair. It has a 13x4 lace, and it also has pre-plucked hairlines with the baby hairs. Y'all, I'm gonna let y'all keep on watching to show y'all how I changed this style up, because I feel like blonde didn't look good on me at all. So I'm gonna just take you guys through the steps on how I did to achieve the look that I was going for. Stay tuned. Hey guys, so I had to go to Sally's Beauty Supply store to get some semi jet black dye, and I used that on my frontal and then also on the actual tracks of the hair. I ended up using a different dye, which that dye is more of a creamier consistency, and as you guys can see, the back part, it did change really well. And I use Ion semi-permanent blackish black, in case you guys wanted to know. That's what I used on the back of the tracks. And then also I'm gonna show you guys that I used also again the Claro Beautiful Collection in a jet black, and that was more of a liquid consistency. But I ended up going back to get another Ion semi-permanent for the actual frontal to get it to the blackest it can get. And as you guys can see, the back took the dye really well. As you guys can see, looked really good and really shiny. But I'm gonna go ahead and do that process off camera, and I'll see you guys in the installation process. It had a lot of layers in it, and I really didn't want to put some scissors to the hair again because it already was layered a lot. I was struggling during this process because I didn't know what style that I really wanted to go for. I'll show you guys a little close up on how much the layers was cut. It was like I just needed to put some kind of curls in the hair, because as you guys can see that it's very short and it has its own little flow going on. I just had to basically shape it to the frame of my face, and this was the style that I came up with. This is the actual front, a baby hair here, 2 baby hairs to the front. I didn't want to do too much baby hairs. This is the actual side, the curls and stuff like that that I put inside of the wig. Turn to this side. It does look a little bit feathered, which I mentioned to you guys that the actual wig is cut in layers, so that's why it's looking like it's feathered, which it is feathered. And then I'm gonna turn around to the back so you guys can see the curls on the hair. I think the curls are definitely decent. And then I'm gonna turn around so you guys can see from this angle, and as you guys can see how it's looking from the front, the back, and 2 sides. And literally the perks on this wig, like I mentioned before, this wig. All right, y'all. So this hair is from F.Afsisterwigs and off Amazon, and I want to give you guys a little bit more about the details about this wig. This wig was a short pixie cut curly style bob wig in a 613 blonde hair, and it's made to be glueless, which you can do glueless because they do have the adjustable straps, and then also strap that's in the center, in the middle part of your head. You can use that. It is a 13x4 lace, and it is pre-plucked, which it's kind of sort of is. You know how to do like this is human hair mixed with a little bit of synthetic fibers, but it still look decent. It come off as it's saying it is 150 density, which it is. It's very thick and it's very nice. The curls came out really nice. You guys can see from this angle and different angles this little gap in the top. But I consider this as look presentable and look well professional and look up to part and stuff like that. This is something that I will wear to a meeting or a job interview.
So yeah, y'all. So I'll give you guys all the perks on the wig, and I'll leave the link down below. So I hope you guys enjoyed this wig. And before we go, I'm gonna do another 360 for you guys, so you guys can kind of still see how this wig look from the front, the back, and the sides. And other than that, without further ado, I'll see you guys on my next video. Yeah, these are my only intentions. Stay in the kitchen cooking up, cut your own bread. Heart full of equity or an asset. Make sure that you don't need no mentions. Yeah, these are my only